Introduction to Forex trading. Alright. Okay, so let's start here. What is Forex? Forex is foreign exchange. Alright. So pretty much that is changing one currency's value into another currency's value. So take for example, I'm in South Africa, but I want to go over to Paris, right? Well, that's all good. I get to Paris and I see something I want to buy. I can't take out my South African rands and show them Mandela and be like, hey guys, please give me this. No, I will have to have a euro when I get to Europe. So what's gonna happen? I need to go to a forex bank, a foreign exchange bank, and I'm gonna leave my South African rands there, and then they're gonna give me European euros. So that is forex, right? So now we understand forex, but then there's now also forex trading, right? Which forex trading is us, because these prices fluctuate, right? They fluctuate for different reasons, right? The geopolitical events, economic data such as PMI, retail sales, GDPs, etc., etc. Like I'm saying, there's forex trading. So forex trading is us taking advantage of all these price movements. So when a market is going up, when the dollar gains strength, we want to buy the dollar, or if the pound is losing strength, we'd like to sell the pound, and we'd be able to profit from that. The nice thing about the forex market, which I'll explain later, you don't have to own anything in order to sell it. So you can buy at any time, or you can sell at any time. If something's value is appreciating or depreciating, you can take advantage of any one of those movements over there. The foreign exchange market, also known as the forex market, is the largest market in the world, right? And last time I checked, they had about in 2019. That figure grew to about 6.6 trillion. So when I wrote my book at about like 2018, 17, it was at 5 trillion, but now it's currently trading at about like $6-7 trillion every single day, right? Which is surpassing stuff like the New York Stock Exchange, which is in the hundreds of billions of ranges. Still a lot of money, but then the forex market has trillions in it, and it's also a decentralized market, unlike stock exchanges. So by decentralized market, what I mean is you can trade it at any time, right? So it doesn't have one set place where there is one price. There are many banks that also like make the prices and stuff like that. All right, so when we trade, and I think one thing I must tell you, this course is based around forex, but as soon as we get into market structure and strategies and stuff like that, you can use these same strategies on different sort of markets. Right, so you can trade it on like oil, gold, Facebook stocks, Nasdaq, US30, etc., etc. But major currencies. Okay, so when we trade, right, we can have a lot of currencies to our disposal, a lot of pairs to our disposal, right? But we will just generally trade the 8 most popular currencies, being the United States dollar, European euro, Great British pound, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, and New Zealand dollar. So like I said, that there's a lot of currencies available for us to trade. For example, USD ZAR, right? Which is the ZAR, the Turkish lira, or any other, but these are the 8 most popular ones which each broker will have. And you can see that the name dollar is very popular amongst the currencies, so it is very important to be specific when talking about a certain dollar. Most times we'll just assume that you are talking about the American dollar when you say the dollar, and you can also see how these currencies are named, right? The first 2 letters usually refer to the country, and the last letter usually then refers to the currency itself. So like D, dollar, P, pound, Y, yen, with JP being like Japan. And then currency pairs. Alright, so you need to understand when we're trading Forex, we actually trade in currency pairs. So this then allows us, this is the reason why we can buy and sell. So just opening a price of like USD ZAR, right? You can see here on the trading chart that we have there up here USD ZAR, here at the bottom USD ZAR. So these are currency pairs.